Last time on part 1 of the Hawaii travel vlog.
Hawaii! Good morning, guys.
Good. All right.
This time on the Hawaii travel vlog part 2.
Now they couldn't find a way. Niggas talking tough, we can hit them from a mile away. We don't need no bluff if we see them around. Fight on my back, fuck my ex, why she trying it? Stacking up the bag, hit the lotto, now we're piling it. Baby change the look, if they raid us then we're hiding it. Come up from the block, we got hot, we made it pop. Bring the smoke, I got the rock. No alarm, we put the sock. Got him down, so clean him up. Heard his racks were cleaning up. I'm like body in the box. I was humble, now I'm not. Niggas think that I forgot. There ain't nothing they can say. Block me off, I made a way.
Alright, hey y'all. Y'all want to get in my video? Oh, yeah. Our car is stuck.
Yeah.
5 a.m. hike.
Rental right there. That's them beans.
But it's currently like almost 6 a.m. and we got up early at like 4 to do this hike. Oh, it's still recording. Oh god. Okay, vlog. You already know how they were explaining, you know, we got the cars. Okay. I just want to let y'all know I got the car over the curb. I didn't hit the curb. I was driving well. It's pitch black out here across the street and we parked. And now we good. We gonna do the hike. Okay, bye vlog. Y'all, we did the hike. It was light work. What you think about it, Crystal?
It was light work.
I mean, it was an easy hike. Where's
They're
Kaylee?
athletic. That's what it is.
Kaylee over there taking her pictures, slipping and sliding.
You know, my calves was just burning like shit. It's mine.
Now we're finna go to the mermaid pools or whatever.
I think it might be mine. So I placed mine down.
Screenshot. Come on. She's an island girl. Alright, y'all, we're right here to get the best breakfast sandwiches in town. Okay, y'all, so we came to a blowhole. Oh, hey. Everybody up there. And yeah. There's Jade. There's Kaylee. There's CJ and Nick. And then Raven and Crystal.
Y'all look good.
Yeah.
So tiny.
Oh yes.
This is what they meant by the water so clear.
White girls, black girls, black girls, black girls, tall girls, fat girls, and shake that.
All right, y'all. So I got the cinnamon sugar donut, Hawaiian donut.
You guys like it? This is soft.
It's like crispy and then soft on the inside.
This is good.
I like this.
I ain't get a feeling. Hey y'all. So I'm back. I look way better than I did in the last clip. Bro, I got submerged by water. Y'all know I cannot swim. When I say I was pissed, I was pissed. I got out of the water so quick and went and sat down in the beach chair. I was done for the day. My hair got wet. No. So I fixed myself up a bit and everything, showered. We're at the hotel. Views. Hope you guys are seeing the views. So this morning, just a quick synopsis. We woke up at 4 a.m., got ready, left at like 5:30 or whatever to do this hike. It was the lighthouse trail hike or whatever. Went up there to watch the sunrise. Come on. Anyways, went up there to watch the sunrise. Took about 30 minutes or whatever. It was only 1 mile up, 1 mile down. Bro, it's so dark. I do not want to be tanned. Sorry. But yeah. Then we went to the beach. No. Then we got the breakfast sandwiches that I showed y'all. Ate that. Went to a beach that was by like where Obama stays. And then went to a blowhole. We got the Hawaiian donut that I showed y'all. And then now we're at the hotel. We're finna go back to Jade's house. Get some early dinner, burgers and hot dogs. And then we're gonna come back to the hotel because we're gonna spend the night here. And then, come on, CJ, what are you doing?
Everything was you to see all of the lines.
We finna come back here, get cute or whatever, because we're gonna go out and like bar hop, club hop, whatever. Tomorrow we're gonna be going to a flea market in the Dole Plantation, which is like the pineapple thing. So I'm finally gonna wear my cute outfit. I haven't gotten any pictures on the trip so far, and I need to get all the outfits left. I need to get pictures of those. Today, there was no outfit. Yesterday, I didn't really care. That was a basic outfit that I could wear any other day. But even those pictures were not nice. I wish I brought my tripod because I know how I like to take my pictures, and I don't like people looking at me when I take my pictures. So I know what the setting and everything has to be in order to get the picture that I like, and I don't like any of them so far, which is why I haven't posted. Not a thing, but I need to post because people need to know. Y'all see it on my story. If you're not following me on Instagram, y'all need to watch it so y'all see everything in real time. But I need to get some pictures. So hopefully tomorrow I get pictures. Actually, no, I'm going to get pictures. DC, bro. So that's the plan for that. Sunday's Riven's birthday. So that's a little look into the head of the future. And then yeah, I'm enjoying myself so far. It's very motivational because these views is what I want to wake up to later this year, early next year. But yeah, they playing music in there, so I'm gonna go back in there. I'm not trying to get copyrighted.
Yeah, she came in and put up everything. And then, all the shit. So all I had was for y'all, so I gave it to her. He's like, oh my god.
I'm so weak. I like that. I like that enough. Yeah. That's why every time
You know what I mean? Want you to see everything. Want you to see everything.
quarter mile, turn left onto Kaluni Avenue.
Trying to show out when I fuck her, I pop the Rossi. Street nigga, grew up on Gotti, I rock Versace. City know I'm slimy, get him snake by stocking. I was running tens from my meeting, I'm not a stocking.
Hi guys.
Capital One, what's in your wallet? I got 30, 40,000 all blue and stuff.
I gave up on mine, so I'm hopping on the dog.
Really did? Yeah.
I keep forgetting to pull out my phone.
Place bugging, I keep running up the notch. I making no it's crazy, ain't too many things changed since I got famous. And every time I hop down, 3 new niggas replace them. They gang a brand.
Gonna treat you like a broke nigga. I was in it with the wrong niggas.
Hey y'all, so today is January 8th and we are at the Dole Plantation. Haley, say hey. Raven.
Hey, we have to go back.
Why'd you whisper? And yeah, we finna get on the train right now to go on a little tour through the plantation. So keep watching. Okay guys, so we just had the shave ice. I got half peach, half pina colada with condensed milk, and I give it a 7.5 out of 10. Crystal.
Oh, I got pina colada and passion fruit and papaya, and I give it a 9 out of 10.
Gucci. Raven.
I got mango, pina colada, and strawberry cream. I give it a 10 out of 10. It was very refreshing. Oh, it's sweet and condensed.
Oh yeah, I got sweet condensed milk too.
Good. So right now we're going back to the car. Oh, we're in this small town. I don't know what it's called, but
Hawaiian word.
it's in town. Y'all will see it in the vlog someplace. But we're in this small town just walking around. That's where we got the shaved ice. We're about to go back to the car and go to a waterfall. So yeah, it's the views from the 6 with my woes. And I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Huh? Go ahead.
I was saying, I hope they got lifeguards.
They should. Okay, y'all, we're at the waterfall right now. So that is where we're walking to. Currently, we're walking through a botanical garden. So everybody's in front. And we have Miss Kayla Kales right there. So I'll see you on the next clip. Raven, say hi! Raven! Oh, you should have each other! I can't move! Alright, we good.
No, let me run the vlog for it then. It's like, no, I'm just playing. Not right now. Tomorrow.
You want to run the vlog?
Yeah,
alright, run the vlog.
I'm gonna get ratings of the food.
Yeah, that is a crucial day.
I'm gonna get ratings of the food. When we go somewhere, I'm gonna be talking about how it went, you know.
Alright. You're gonna be a YouTuber for the day. Y'all, we just finished the waterfall. Okay, period. Screenshot this. Screenshot this and show your family.
Thank you, baby.
There. Hey y'all, so we're back from the waterfall. It is currently 7:30, I think. Just got the shower. I'm at the hotel. I'm on the balcony right now. And yeah, the waterfall was cool. If you guys know, I cannot swim, so it was interesting being in there. We had life jackets and everything. I don't trust life jackets, but it was fun. I guess you could say I'm a water girl, but yeah. I know this vlog is all over the place, but I literally don't have time to like really talk and dissect everything that we're doing. So I'm gonna try to like my best so you guys understand and know what we're doing while we're here. Still have a couple more days left of our trip, so right now we're gonna go back to Jade's house and play games and stuff like that. Tomorrow is Raven's birthday, so we'll have stuff planned for that. And also, never mind. But yeah, I just want